जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम everyone and a very good evening. आज 8 सितंबर 2021 है. So in today's video we're just going to do a very quick analysis कि इस वक्त ई NASDAQ futures पे क्या चल रहा है. Previous video में हमने आपके साथ analysis share की थी कि we provided you with support zones and the resistance zone जहाँ से price reverse करती हैं. So let's check out कि what's happening in the market now and what are the traders expecting. So here is the NASDAQ chart. ठीक है. If you see very closely, इस वक्त chart can you can see there is consolidation going on. Previously, this was the support zone. Support zone क्यों था? Because all the time when the market was coming around this area, it was bouncing back. तो 18 तारीख को we are expecting the expiration of this trading contract. Expiration से मुराद जितनी भी आपकी positions हैं, orders placed हैं इस market के अंदर, इस instrument के अंदर, they will be closed automatically by default or manually by the brokerage services provider. So now let's reassess them. इस वक्त let me get rid of the drawing tools here on the chart. All right. Okay. Now you can see कि यहाँ पर पहले resistance था. Ignoring what's happening right now, this was a previous resistance. Okay. And this was the previous level of support. Support is an area where buyers are strong, और buyers अगर strong होंगे, positive candles, blue candles की तादाद ज़्यादा होगी, the market would push up. So later on, as the time passes, market broke up the resistance levels. लेकिन तोड़ने के बाद market could not find value up. तो आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे rejection आ रही है. Candles are failing to close above this level, indicating investors are not interested in the trading range above. They try again, they test the level again, and it's a failure. So it's very much possible either market will stay sideways, okay? Otherwise, we would see a fall towards the downside. Market यहाँ पे drop हो सकती है इन्हीं levels के पास. Let's draw it here. Market can come here and then go back up. Or, so ये जहाँ से support आ रही है ना major, we could see maybe the market would break below, okay? Then it would fall to the previous week's trading range. Previous week trading range कहाँ है जी? It's around this level here, around 15,253. So that's a very quick express analysis. Otherwise, what I feel, it's very much possible कि market is going to come down and reverse towards the upside. ये इस वक्त हम 1 hour chart का देख रहे हैं. थोड़ा सा let's analyze the different time frame. Let's analyze a different time frame. I'm going to switch to a 15 minutes chart, just short-term trading chart. This is an aggressive move that's happening right now. Now, aggressive moves जो है अगर हो रही है नीचे की तरफ, इनकी limitation होती है. The candle won't come out of outside the monitor. ठीक है? So it is reaching for this support zone. So let's see what's going on. Probably my prediction, my anticipation is that it would reverse from here. Same, जैसे हमने पहले अर्ज किया. It's going to come over this area, इस zone के अंदर आएगा, then it should start trending towards the upside. So I hope this video helps, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment box. Video pasand aayi ho, give it a thumbs up, like button, and share it with others, and let us grow our Urdu speaking community together. Have a great trading week ahead, G. Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is going to be the last trading day, and wish you all the best. Bye bye for now.